One knows that in the Cartesian coordinate system where y-axis is represented by velocity and x-axis is represented by time, in this system, if any graph is drawn, then the area calculated gives the distance traveled. That is, area under the graph equals to distance traveled equals to integration u dt. Now, in the question it has been given that a body is traveling with a constant velocity, that is, distance equals to velocity into time. Now, for each second, one can see, that means each successive second one can see here that the distance traveled will be constant. That is